Okay, we're back again. This is part 2. We're doing a 128 ounce test that we already passed the 100-degree mark. Coming down to 3 minutes. Temperature is at 200 degrees. 3 minutes. Should be boiling in the next 30 seconds. I can see steam coming off now. Three and a half minutes to boiling point. Must be catching the updraft from the heat. Well, say 3.5 minutes to boil 128 ounces of water. The bottom's got just full of bubbles. A lot of heat is being pushed out. I can't put my hand closer than this, so we're losing a lot of the heat through the side. In the tea kettle test, that's what I seen, and this more or less proves it. So this test is not going to be as accurate as it can, because at least half the heat's being wasted. We're 5 minutes, about 30 seconds into the test. 5.5 minutes. Look at it pop steam. We have a really rapid boil going on there now. This is the second part of a ongoing series, maybe 3-part, maybe 4. Boil 128 ounces or 1 gallon of water into steam. Going to put the lid on. Even with the vat gone, it's still doing pretty good, I would say. Well, I'd just like to use this time to say hello to Jones out there, and David. I know you guys are going to be getting your calculators out on this one. He was saying today on the post, on the Joe Pipe Tech post site, that even if we get this is twice as efficient, it's going to cause a little bit of ripples to go out in the scientific community. 4 minutes on the wheel. We're coming to 7 minutes, nearly 30 seconds into the test. shaking the stand here. Coming down to 9 minutes 30 seconds into the test here, or 8 minutes 30 seconds. Seeing is believing. This is kind of good in a way, because next test I'm going to make sure I have this wrapped up good. Just have the pot sitting on the heels here. That plate's over 900 degrees, shooting the edge there. Anyway, it's hot. Alright, we're into 10 minutes into the test here. Discharged the batteries on the camera, so should be alright. While we're waiting, I'm going to show you the little steamer that I like to make some steam to see if steam will burn. By the way, I did get the little bit of copper that melted in the last test. It's already turning red down there. So this shouldn't melt. 2 feet of black pipe, about 5/8. This is going to be the steam adjustment control. Leave it a little bit loose. The steam should come back here and ignite into hydrogen. Make sure these fittings are done up tight. This will go to a hot water hose and then onto a gang valve. And this will go into the pipe for a horizontal test. Minutes into the test. Water's dropped from about here to about here. It's already dropped a good, I would say about a quarter. So we already boiled away a quart. We're going to call it quits and reset this for the third part.